Absence of motive in a case depending on circumstantial evidence is a factor that weighs in favor of the accused, the Supreme Court has reiterated. The bench comprising Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash, Reddy and M. R. Shah restored the acquittal of two accused, Anwar Ali and Sharif Mohammad, by setting aside the conviction record by the Himachal High Court. The duo were accused of murdering one Deepika. One of the contentions raised by the accused in the appeal before Apex Court was that the prosecution has failed to establish and prove the motive, and therefore the accused deserves acquittal in concern. In this regard, the bench observed it is true that the absence of proving the motive cannot be a ground to reject the prosecution case. It is also true, and as held by this court in the case of Suresh Chandra Bhari versus State of Bihar 1995, that it was also contended that even the recovery of a jeep from Chandigarh and recovery of photographs and the recovery of mobile phones belonging to PW7 from the jeep also create serious doubts. The court also noted that the investigating officer did not follow the procedure as required to be followed. Allowing the appeal, the bench observed that the findings recorded by the trial court were based on appreciation of the entire evidence on record, cannot be said to be either preserved or contrary to the evidence on record, and or it cannot be said that the trial court did not consider any material evidence on record. Therefore, we are of the opinion that in fact the circumstances of the case, the High Court is not justified in reserving the order by acquittal passed by the government learned trial court.